Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales, here today looking at this 2013 Peterbilt 388 4-axle dump truck, special 2017-18 Almost World Champions Dodgers edition with 17-foot Boulder Lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. Now, just kidding about the Dodgers edition, but we could do something like that. We definitely can do a bunch of different custom paint jobs, custom graphics, and custom vinyl stickers as well. If that's something you're interested, you got your business logo, you want us to go ahead and put that on the truck before it gets delivered, that's definitely something that we can do here. On this particular bed, we actually made the walls out of 3/8 steel as well as the tailgate. So it's actually an extra thick tailgate that you can haul some serious concrete pieces in. We also got the hitch plate here and the air ride suspension, the high riding suspension. Got the brand new Maris steel drive tires on here, made in USA. Hendrickson steerable lift axle with a bunch of ground clearance, electric tarp, dual chrome breathers, dual chrome exhaust on this one. Got the upgraded front suspension with 315 tires. Another thing as well, the fuel tank we raised up. So as you can see there, got tons of ground clearance, over a foot of ground clearance on that fuel tank. So it's actually higher than factory here. We'll go ahead and jump in the cab, take a look at the controls. We did air dump body controls in this one. That nice super strong top rail there, new for 2019 dump bodies. Nice full gauge package there. Got our lift axle switch, PTO light, bed up indicator light. That's the air controls with our mechanical control package. We got a bunch of different control options. So you can see some of our other videos on that and visit our website. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.